Good afternoon, students. As you all know that you had your first practice test on 1st of June, and in that test all of you who gave the test performed really well. So congratulations to all my dear students, those who appeared for the test and those who did not appear for the test. Children, please don't take this test lightly. We can use this marks to assess your subject enrichment also. So please sincerely come forward and give the test. Now, as you all know that we have completed our lesson 3, that was the northern plains. So today we will be doing the exercises, and the first exercise is fill in the blanks. So let us quickly start with the exercises. Number 1, the northern plains are called the dash of India. So the northern plains is known as the food bowl of India. So the answer is food bowl. Second is the three main rivers that constitute the northern plains are, and there are three blanks. So first is Satluj river, second is Ganga river, and third is Brahmaputra river. So Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra are the three main rivers that constitute the northern plains. Now number 3, the states of dash dash and union territory of dash fall in the Satluj plains. So the answer is states will be Punjab and Haryana and union territory will be Chandigarh. So states you will write Punjab, Haryana, and in the third blank you are going to write Chandigarh. These three fall in the Satluj plains. Now number 4th is the states which lie in the Ganga basin are dash dash and dash. So again there are three blanks. So here in total there are 4 states. So any 3 states you can write. So the answer is Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Delhi and West Bengal. So there are 4 states, you can name any 3 states. Then the last is Brahmaputra is the Brahmaputra is known as dash in Tibet. So the answer is Sangpo. Tsangpo, wherein the letter T is silent. So this was fill in the blanks. Now we will do true and false. Write T for true and F for false. The river Yamuna divides into 2 branches when it enters West Bengal. The answer will be false. The answer will be false. Second is farming is the main occupation of the people living in the northern plains. The answer is true. The answer is true. Number 3rd, the northern plains of India are thinly populated. The answer will be false. So third answer is false. Now number 4th, the capital of Punjab and Haryana is Amritsar. Again the answer is false. The answer of number 4 is false. And number 5th is the main occupation of people living in Delhi is agriculture. Again the answer will be false. So except number 2, all the answers will be false. Only 2 is true and rest all the answers will be false. So true and false is also over. Now we will move on to match the column. So number 1 is white embroidery. So white embroidery is also called chicken kari work, which is famous in Uttar Pradesh. So the first will match with Uttar Pradesh, and as usual you are going to write the answers side by side. You will not draw lines, you will write the answers side by side. So white embroidery is Uttar Pradesh. Second is Chandigarh. The Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab. Now number third is Mithila painting. It is done in Bihar. Sundarbans is in West Bengal, and Akshardham temple is located in Delhi. So this is the answer of match the following. Now we will move on to the last question, which is answer the following questions. Number 1, describe the extent of northern plains. So in this question you will write from which point till which point northern plains extend. So the answer is the northern plains extend from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east, and they are almost 2400 kilometers in extent. So this is answer number 1. Now next is, why are the northern plains important to us? So the answer is, the northern plains are drained by the Himalayan rivers that makes the soil very fertile. So it is a major crop growing area, and that is why northern plains are important to us. So since we can grow so many crops in northern plains, that is why northern plains is important to us. Now question number 3 is, what is the difference between the delta and the mouth of a river? So here children, you will make two columns. On the left hand side you will write delta, on the right hand side you will write mouth of the river. On the delta side you will write that the silt deposited by the river forms a triangular shape. If you remember, I told you delta is a triangular shape. So it forms a triangular shape at the mouth of the river where it meets the sea. This triangular formation is called delta. And on the side of mouth of the river you will write the place where the river enters or joins a bigger or a larger river, that is known as mouth of the river. Okay, so question number 4, how is the Ganga Brahmaputra delta formed? So this is a bit long answer. When the Ganga river flows towards the Bay of Bengal, the speed of the river slows down, and as a result it gets divided into smaller streams or smaller river channels. So the silt deposited by the river forms a triangular shape at the mouth of the river where it meets the sea, and this triangular formation is known as delta, and this delta is the world's largest delta, and this is how the Ganga Brahmaputra delta is formed. So this is how Ganga Brahmaputra delta is formed. And the last question is, name any 5 places of tourist interest in Delhi. This is very easy children. I have taken out the simplest and the easiest terms that were very easy for you to learn. But if you want to write any other example, you can write it from the portion where we have read about Delhi. You can pick any easy 5 options and you can write. So the options which I have picked for you are the India Gate, Lotus Temple, Red Fort, Jantar Mantar and Parliament House. So these are the easiest 5 places which I found out for you. But if you want to use any other place, you can easily write it down. There is no problem. Okay children, so you will write the question answers in your copy and fill in the blanks, true and false, and match the column. These you will do only in your books. And children, also go on learning as we are finishing each lesson. So go on learning the question answers and the exercises as we are finishing the lesson. So in that way you will not be burdened later on. So children, that's all for today. I will attach the PDF form of the question answers along with the exercises. So don't worry, you can easily write them down. So I will see you in the next session. Thank you.